Alright, before we begin, let's do a little review in probability. So we have 5 cups here, and let's imagine that there are 2 red balls under 2 of these cups, and we don't know which 2 cups they're under. So what is the probability of picking a cup that has the red ball or a red ball under it? The formula for probability is the number of successful possibilities divided by the number of total possibilities. In this case, 2 cups have red balls, and those would be successes, and there are a total of 5 cups. So the probability of choosing a red ball at random is going to be 2 divided by 5. As a decimal, that would be 4/10, and as a percent, that would be 40%. We'll see some probability at the end of this activity, so again, just remember that formula. Now I'm going to walk you through the activity, which starts with the opener. Sketch a point A, and you'll want to put it about 5 centimeters from the top of the paper. Use A as the center of a circle with 4 centimeter radius, so you'll need a compass and 4 centimeters. That's pretty bad looking, but that's okay. That'll work. And we also want to know where is the diameter. So this is our radius. Radius equals 4 centimeters. And let's go ahead and make a diameter, which goes the entire length across the circle and through the center point, which was called A. And what is the length of the diameter? Diameter equals 8. It is double the radius. And we do want to go ahead and find the area of the entire circle, and we're just going to use parts of the paper to find our area, and we want to show all of our work. So go ahead and find that area. You can pause it now and just come back when you're ready. I'm going to move on now. We also let's make sure we did all of this stuff. Yes, we did all of that. Okay, so then once you're done that, we're going to move on to the next page. Alright, so step 1 is to shade in half of this circle here. So we can use this half here. Step 2, construct 2 different circles with radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Okay, so we go down here in the middle of the circle or the page, and we make a radius of 3 centimeters and also one of 5 centimeters, and they should have the same point. We can name it anything. How about C? And so we make these 2 circles. There's the smaller circle and the larger circle. Concentric means they have the same center point. In this case, that center is C. Shade in the region between the 2 circles. So that's all of this. And then finally construct a 3 centimeter by 7 centimeter rectangle in the corner of the page, so we can measure over 3 centimeters like this, then up 7, and we could shade all of that in. Okay. Okay, then we're asked what is the total area shaded in, so you would need to calculate this area here, all of the shaded area between these two circles, and of course this rectangle here, and you'll want to sum those areas, those three shaded areas, to get your total area shaded. The total area of the sheet of paper, well, you just have to ask yourself, what are the dimensions of this sheet of paper? And then you can calculate that area depending on what type of polygon that is. And then what is the probability that a dart thrown randomly at the piece of paper will hit part of the paper that is not shaded? Okay, so this is basically just asking, what is the chance that it lands somewhere here in this yellow area, in the center, this yellow area, the center here, this yellow area. It could even hit this yellow area because that's not shaded in. So that's going to take some problem solving, and you may need to ask a friend for help, or you may want to come after school and talk to your teacher and ask for some help as well. So good luck with that. Make sure you show all of your work as you go through this process.